Hi everyone! Today, I'm going to show you all the school English conversations you need in just one video. Let's get started!
Kindergarten registration.
Good morning! How can I help you today?
Good morning. I'd like to register my child for kindergarten.
I'd be happy to help you with that. How old is your child?
She is 4 years old.
Great! She is eligible for junior kindergarten.
Awesome. What do I need to bring?
I'll need a few documents: her birth certificate, proof of address, and vaccine records.
I have them right here.
Wonderful! Everything looks good. Please fill out this form with your emergency contacts and any allergies.
Sure. Here is the completed form. What are the next steps?
You're all set. We will email you the confirmation.
Fantastic. Thank you so much for your help.
You're very welcome. We look forward to seeing your child in September. Have a great day.
You too. Goodbye.
School transfer.
Good morning. We just moved here, and I'd like to transfer my son to your school.
Good morning. Welcome. What grade is he in?
He is going into grade 3. Here are his transcript and transfer form.
Great. Everything looks good. He can start next Monday.
Perfect. Does he need to bring any school supplies or books on his first day?
We will provide all textbooks and learning materials. He just needs a backpack, a lunchbox, and indoor shoes.
Excellent. Thank you so much. You made this process so smooth.
You're very welcome. We are happy to have him. See you next Monday.
Bus driver call.
Good afternoon. I'm the school bus driver for the upcoming school year. My name is Daniel.
Good afternoon, Daniel. Thanks for calling.
My pleasure. Your child's bus stop is at the corner of Maple Street. Morning pickup is at 7:45 a.m.
Got it. 7:45 a.m. at Maple Street. What time is afternoon drop-off?
Drop-off is at the same spot around 3:30 p.m. Please be at the stop 5 minutes early.
Absolutely. I'll be there waiting.
Also, if your child is sick or missing the bus, please notify the school office so we don't hold up the route.
Understood. I'll be sure to notify the school if anything comes up.
Fantastic! We are looking forward to a safe school year.
Thank you so much for the call. Have a great day.
You too. See you on the first day.
First day of drop-off. Good morning, Mrs. Johnson. Today is Leo's first day. He's a little nervous.
Good morning. Welcome, Leo. Don't worry, we are going to have so much fun today.
Perfect. I packed a lunchbox, a water bottle, and spare clothes in his bag.
Great, thank you. Leo, would you like to come to the carpet and play with the blocks?
Okay. Mom, will you stay with me?
I wish I could, sweetie, but I have to go to work. I'll be right back to pick you up after school.
That's right, Leo. We'll read stories, play outside, and have snacks. Give Mom a big hug goodbye.
Bye, Mom.
Bye-bye, Leo. Have a wonderful first day. Thank you so much, Mrs. Johnson.
You're very welcome. He is in great hands. See you this afternoon.
Late arrival.
Good morning. I'm so sorry, we're running late. Traffic was terrible.
Good morning. Don't worry at all. What is your daughter's name and grade?
Her name is Mia, and she is starting grade 1. We're not sure where her classroom is.
No problem. Let me check. Mia is in room 102 with Mrs. Gable. Please sign her in on this sheet first.
Sure. Do we need a late pass for her teacher?
Yes, here is her late slip. Mrs. Gable will need this for attendance.
Daddy, is the teacher going to be mad at me?
Not at all, Mia. Everyone runs a little late sometimes. Your teacher is super excited to meet you.
That's right, sweetheart. Is it okay if I walk her to her classroom?
Absolutely. Go down this hallway, turn right at the library, and room 102 is on your left.
Thank you so much for your help.
You're very welcome. Have a wonderful first day, Mia.
Calling in sick. Good morning, Lincoln Elementary. How can I help you?
Good morning. I'm calling to report an absence for my child today.
May I have your child's name, grade, and teacher's name?
Yes, his name is Jake. He is in grade 2, and his teacher is Miss Ellie.
Thank you. What is the reason for his absence today?
He woke up with a fever today, so he's staying home to rest.
Poor thing. I hope he feels better soon. Is he staying home just for today?
For today, right now. If he still has a fever tomorrow, I will call you again.
Sounds good. Please make sure he is fever-free for 24 hours before returning to school.
Understood. Please let Miss Ellie know he is away today.
Will do. I will update his attendance record right away.
Thank you so much for your help. Have a good day.
You too. Bye-bye. School lunch and snack.
Good morning, Miss Davis. What's the school's lunch policy?
Good morning! We are a strict nut-free zone to protect students with allergies.
Understood. So that means no peanut butter or tree nuts, right?
Exactly. Please also check prepackaged snacks to make sure they don't say, may contain nuts.
Got it. What kind of snacks do you recommend?
Fresh fruits, cut vegetables, cheese strings, yogurt tubes, or snacks with a nut-free logo are all great choices.
That's very clear. I'll double-check all labels before packing their lunch. Thank you, Ms. Davis.
You're very welcome. Thank you for helping keep our students safe. Have a great day!
Before and after school care.
Good afternoon. I'd like to ask about the before and after school program.
Good afternoon. Are you looking for both morning and afternoon care?
Yes, full coverage. What are the hours?
Before school runs from 7 to 8:30 a.m. After school is 3:15 to 6 p.m.
That fits our schedule perfectly. What do the kids do in the afternoon?
We offer healthy snacks, homework help, arts and crafts, and playground time.
Sounds great. Do you still have any openings for grade 2?
We have a short wait list, but I can give you the registration form to fill out today.
Wonderful. I'll fill it out right away. Thank you so much.
You're very welcome. Have a great afternoon.
School phone call.
Good afternoon. Am I speaking with Ben's mom?
Yes, speaking.
Ben just had a minor scrape on the playground during recess.
Oh, what happened? Is he hurt?
He tripped while playing tag and scraped his right knee.
Poor buddy. Did anyone take a look at it?
Yes, our first aid staff cleaned and bandaged it. No head injuries at all.
That's a relief. How is he feeling now?
He's totally fine now.
Thank you so much. Do I need to pick him up early?
Not at all. He can return to class and take his school bus home.
Got it. Thank you so much for calling and taking good care of him.
You're very welcome. Have a great day.
Afternoon pickup.
Good afternoon, Miss Jenny. I'm here to pick up Emma. How was her day?
Good afternoon. She had a wonderful day.
Great. Did she participate in the classroom activities?
Absolutely. She loved story time and shared the blocks nicely.
Fantastic. Did she eat her lunch okay?
She ate almost everything in her lunchbox and drank plenty of water.
Mommy, look! I painted a tree today.
Wow, that looks amazing, sweetie. I'm so proud of you.
We played on the playground, and I made a new friend.
That's awesome.
Here is her folder with today's artwork and a notice for you.
Thank you so much for everything, Miss Jenny.
You're very welcome. Have a wonderful evening and see you tomorrow. Lost and found.
Good afternoon. My son can't find his lunch bag.
Good afternoon. Don't worry, that happens all the time. Where did he have it last?
He had it in the cafeteria during lunch, but it wasn't on his table when he packed up.
Got it. It might be in the lost and found bin by the entrance. Let's go check.
Great! It's a blue lunch bag with Superman on it.
Let's see. Here it is. A blue Superman lunch bag.
What a relief! That's definitely his. Thank you so much for your help.
You're very welcome. I'm glad we found it. Have a great evening.
You too. Bye!
Indoor shoes.
Good afternoon. Just a quick reminder about Liam's indoor shoes.
Good afternoon, Ms. Lisa. Sure, what's up?
As the weather gets wetter, we ask students to keep a pair of indoor shoes at school. Could you send a pair?
Oh, absolutely. What kind do you recommend?
Please send running shoes with Velcro straps. They are safe for gym class and easy for him to put on.
Got it. Should we leave them at school?
Yes, he'll keep them in his cubby. Also, please label both shoes with his name.
Good idea. I'll label them tonight and send them tomorrow morning.
Thank you so much for your help. Have a great evening.
You too, Miss Lisa. Thanks for letting me know.
Field trip.
Good afternoon. Just a quick reminder, the permission forms for our pumpkin farm field trip are due this Friday.
Good afternoon, Mr. Roger. I have Luca's signed form and $10 right here.
Wonderful, thank you.
Anything special we need to bring for the trip?
Yes, please dress him in warm layers and outdoor boots. Also, pack a nut-free, litterless lunch and a labeled water bottle.
Got it. What time will the bus return to the school?
We'll be back around 2 p.m., well before regular dismissal.
Excellent. He's been super excited about picking pumpkins all week.
We're all really looking forward to it. Have a wonderful evening.
You too, Mr. Roger. Thanks again.
Bus cancellation.
Good morning, Miss Sarah. I saw the buses are cancelled today. Is the school still open?
Good morning. Yes, the school building is open.
Got it. The roads are pretty icy, so I'm keeping Tara at home today. Do I still need to report her absence?
Yes, please. Please log her absence on the school app so we know she is safe with you.
Will do. Will she miss any new lessons or tests today?
Not at all. Today will just be review and quiet reading.
That's a relief. Is there anything she should work on at home?
Nothing mandatory. I've posted a few practice sheets on Google Classroom if she gets bored.
Wonderful. Thank you, Miss Sarah. Stay warm today.
Thank you. Stay safe and see Tara tomorrow.
Parent-teacher conference.
Good afternoon. Thank you for coming in today.
Good afternoon, Miss Janice. Thank you for meeting with me. How is Kevin doing in class?
Kevin has had a wonderful term. He is very polite and gets along great with his classmates.
That's such a relief. How is he progressing academically?
He is doing fantastic. His reading skills are coming along nicely, and he loves math.
That's great. Is there anything he needs to work on at home?
Sometimes he gets a little distracted during independent work time.
Ah, I see. What can we do at home to help?
Doing 10 to 15 minutes of focused activities, like puzzles or drawing, would really help.
That makes total sense. We'll definitely do that.
Excellent. Here is his report card for this term.
Thank you so much, Miss Janice.
You're very welcome. Kevin is a joy to have in class. Have a wonderful day.
That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Bye!